Good morning, everyone. Let's start our second part of Federalism, Chapter 2, Class 10 of Political Science. Earlier in first part, we have seen about the Indian Federation and its meaning. Now, let's continue with its next topic, that is list of jurisdiction, or we can say as the legislative powers of our government. It is basically of six types or six lists are there, in which three lists is very important. The first one is Union List. It includes subjects of national importance such as defense of country, foreign affairs, banking, communication, and currency. They are included in this list because we need a uniform policy on these matters throughout the country. The Union List is also known as Central List, which is governed by the Union government, and this list is having 97 subjects regarding to make a law. The Union government can make the laws relating to the subjects mentioned in the Union List. Second one is your state list. State contains subjects of state and local importance. Local means the village level, or we can say as district level things. Importance such as police, trade, commerce, agriculture and irrigation. The state government can make laws relating to the subjects mentioned in the state list. It is having 59 subjects. Next one is your concurrent list. It includes the subjects of interest, both the central, or we can say as union list, as well as the state list. Such examples for education, forest, trade and commerce unions, marriages, adoption, succession. Both the union as well as state government can make laws on the subjects mentioned in this list. If their laws conflict with each other, the law made by union government, or we can say central government, will prevail or will come in the current situation. The concurrent list are having 47 subjects. Next is our residuary list. Anything out of above these three lists, the union list, state list and concurrent list, are taken as residuary subject. Union government has the power to legislate on these subjects. Some of the special status, like next one is our special status type of list. For example, Jammu and Kashmir has its own constitution. Before the last year, the Jammu and Kashmir is having their own constitutional laws. But same as many provisions of India constitution are not applicable to these state without the approval of state assembly. The Indians who are not the permanent residents of that particular area or the state of Jammu and Kashmir cannot buy or purchase the house here. Similarly, special provisions exist for some other states of India as well. Next one, Union Territory. There are some units of Indian Union which enjoy very little power. These are areas which are too small to become an independent state, but which could not be merged with any of the existing states, such as these areas like Chandigarh, Lakshadweep, or the capital city of our Delhi are called union territories. At present, how many union territories were there? Total is 8. The new one included as union territory is our Jammu and Kashmir, and the earlier Daman Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli together merged. These territories do not have the powers of a state. The central government, or we can say as the union government, has special powers in running these areas. These sharing of powers between the union government as well as the state government is the basic structure of the constitution. It is not easy to make any type of changes to these power sharing arrangement. Next one, Parliament. Parliament on its own change this arrangement. Any type of changes done in this had to be first passed by the both of the House of Parliament with at least two-thirds of majority power. Then it has to be ratified by the legislatures of at least half of the total number of states. Let's summarize the jurisdiction powers of list. The first one is our union list, second state, then third concurrent, then fourth residuary, and fifth special, and last one is union territories. Clear? Let's start the first one. Revision of first list. Union list includes the national importance such as defense of the country, foreign affair, banking, communication, currency, and many more. The second one, state list. Local importance includes subjects such as police, trade, commerce, agriculture, irrigation within the state. Third one, concurrent, which includes both the union or state such as education, forest, trade, union, marriage, adoption, succession, and many more. Fourth one, residuary type of list. Anything in above the three lists, these three lists includes the residuary subjects. Union government has the power to legislative on these all subjects. Fifth one, special status. Some states are having the special status or their own constitution, and they can make their own special provisions. Last one, union territories. The central government has their own special powers in running these all areas of union territories. Got it? Now in next part we will study about reasons for success in federalism type of government in India, or we can say as reasons for decentralization in India.